The MIDI Transformer is a real-time MIDI effect that allows you to dynamically transform MIDI messages using pedals connected to your MIDI expression. From the routing page, you can apply this effect to different sources of MIDI, including individual pedals plugged into your MIDI expression, MIDI data coming from the full-size MIDI port on a MIDI expression I/O, or even the USB MIDI in. In this video, we'll use the transformer to modify MIDI coming from my keyboard, which is connected to the MIDI port of the I/O, as well as the control change messages from the expression pedal. The MIDI transformer is broken up into two groups of controls. The first group of controls lets you determine what type of messages you want to process. You can choose to only process a particular type of message. You could process a specific channel, or you could process a specific note number or CC number. The second set of controls lets you specify what kind of transformation you want to perform. You can modify the MIDI channel. You could transpose notes or CC numbers. Or you can specify a specific note or CC value. As a simple example, we'll change the MIDI channel coming from my MIDI keyboard. In Ableton, I have 4 different instruments set up on channels 1 through 4. While the transformer is off, the MIDI data comes through unchanged on channel 1, and when the transformer is on, it comes through channel 2. Now, to make this really useful, we'll want to control this on-off button using a pedal. We'll use the sustain. And we'll set the mode to transformer on-off, and we'll have it toggle the value. Now, instead of controlling the on-off button, we can use the pedal to increment the channel. So we'll go to the mode for the sustain pedal, and we'll change it to channel increment and decrement. We're only using channels 1 through 4, so I'll set the max to 4. Now, as we press the pedal, we can switch between all 4 instruments. Even this expression pedal, which is also routed through the transformer, can be mapped to control the volume of each instrument. The transformer is also capable of duplicating MIDI data. It has the same effect as transforming it, except the original message is sent in addition to a transformed copy. In this setup, we can now play 2 instruments at the same time, and the expression pedal controls the volume of both. Using a second instance of the transformer, we can get an interesting crossfading effect. We'll set the type to control change so we don't alter the MIDI notes from the keyboard, and we'll set the transformer to invert the CC value. The MIDI Transformer is a very powerful tool that allows you to extend the functionality of your MIDI gear and add depth to your performances.